This week didn't turn out as planned. Alright, good morning. It's Monday, starting the week. What we're doing now is we're going to get the electrical cord. As you see, I have the electrical cord hooked into the power outlet. So we're going to get the electrical cord, wind it up, put it away. What I do is I take the plug, and then I can plug in my my air conditioner, and then this cord here goes to my inverter, and then I can and that powers my TV and my lights and everything. So let me find another glove. I did laundry, I washed my coveralls. It was a pretty nice weekend actually. It rained a little bit on Saturday. Oh, as you can see, I put the side kit up. This whole week we're going to do side kit loads up through Pennsylvania, Ohio, not very far into Pennsylvania. Where else are we going? Oh, Michigan. So let me get the here take a look at this. So that's the power outlets. So it's just like an RV hookup. They got different connections. So, and then they have these hookups all the way, so all the trucks, if you have the option, can hook up. So let me get the power cord wound up, put away, and then we'll start our day. All right, good morning. Let's take a look at what we got in here. This is what we picked up yesterday. It's copper is what it is. Let me see if you guys, so you can see it's like sheets of copper right there. This is about 10,000 pounds right here. This stuff right here is going to that one's going to Pottersville, Michigan, and then this stuff back here is what we're going to deliver today, and this is going over here by Toledo, and it's the same thing. It's like copper plates, I think is what they were calling it, and then got a little pallet of some copper coils. As you can see, it's kind of like in strips. So there's 6 little reels on there. The only thing that was funny is, you see this strap right here? So I call this a belly strap because if you look, you see how that strap's not touching that crate right there? So if I didn't put that belly strap on this crate right here, then this crate wouldn't have been secured on the floor. So that was why I had to do that. But it's all riding pretty good. No major issues. I had to do the same thing up here. I got a little belly strap on that one right there. Just a little bit of extra, make sure there's no issues. So today we're gonna deliver this. Our appointment's at 9 o'clock. It's now. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me. My wipers here. It's been raining a little bit, and I meant to buy wipers when I went shopping this weekend, but I forgot to. So I had to pay truck stop prices for them. A little tricky getting off, but as you can see, it was starting to tear on the edge. And I meant to buy some when I was at Walmart this weekend. These were $15 a piece at the truck stop, so I paid dearly for them. That's one. All right, that's two. Yeah, since we got the hood up, I'm gonna go ahead and check the oil. Everything else looks pretty good. Belt's looking good. No major leaks or anything. So let me get a rag and some gloves. I'm gonna check that oil. All right. See, we're in Dexter. I think it's Dexter, Michigan. We're at a TA, as you can see. The TA, there's the sign right there. Replace the windshield wiper blades. I'm gonna go ahead. There's Callie. She won't jump out. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower here, and then we're gonna go up about another hour and a half to a Flying J truck stop. Hang out there. That'll put us pretty close to where we have to deliver for tomorrow morning. So let me get a shower and I'll check back in with you guys. All right, it's Thursday afternoon. We're actually at the way station in Kentucky on I-71. We're out of hours, so we're gonna spend here tonight. They do allow overnight parking at this way station. They got lots of parking. As you can see, they got a nice big parking lot. That's the scales right there. They're closed right now, so there's no trucks going through. But you can take a look, see what they look like. But they got lots of parking down here. I stop here quite often. From right here, we got about 70 miles to go make our delivery tomorrow morning. I don't know if we're gonna haul any more copper tomorrow. I am booked on another load, some little coils, stainless steel coils for tomorrow, going to Kansas City for over the weekend. It is a holiday weekend, so we'll have something to do. But let's take a look at what we got. It's pretty interesting, actually. Oh, all right. I've never hauled these things before. These are big, well, big, but they're coils of copper. And it's kind of raw copper. What did he end up doing? This week didn't turn out as planned. I was hoping that this run was going to be kind of a weekly thing, but it became very frustrating from day one, which was Monday, and it just didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to work, or wanted it to. So tomorrow's going to be my last day. I told him I wasn't going to do it. So it's just a combination of a lot of things. The one biggest thing was just lack of communication. I just didn't want to deal with it. But anyway, let's take a look at this copper. So what we did is, let's see, I showed you guys the finished copper going up to Ohio and Michigan. And then over in Michigan, we picked up like recycled copper. Like they take recycled copper to the recycler. So we picked up big bins of copper and then took them down to the factory this morning. And then they take that recycled copper and they run it through whatever they do. And then they make these big rolls of this copper. Now, the place we're going to take this stuff tomorrow, then they'll take this stuff, process it, and make whatever products they're going to make out of them. But you can take a look at what it is. Let me see if I can get a view from the side there, so you can see it's all copper. It's just kind of raw. You know, it's not finished. They actually told me don't worry about edge protectors or anything because it is just raw copper. Each one of these reels weighs about 13,000 pounds. They're chained down good. Everything looks good. So you can see the little chains. I use my little pop-ups on the floor there. You can see right there. So just kind of evenly spaced them out, so they look good. But all right, so tomorrow, I don't know. I might have another little run to do in the morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, we're gonna go pick up stainless steel coils. They will go over to Kansas City on Tuesday, because Monday's a holiday. So we're gonna end up back in Mercer for over the weekend again. Plug in so we can use their electricity and run our air conditioning. So I'll check back with you guys here tomorrow and let you know what's going on for over the weekend. So talk to you in a bit.